Also, coming out here, we're gonna try and catch a huge bass on my 4-weight fly rod. It is raining out, and we're at a pond that I have had success in the past with catching some bigger fish. So let's go for it. There we go. Come here. Come here. Nice little largie. Ooh, that was a nice hit. Bro, now I'm gonna have nightmares that I missed that. I'm gonna be sending it back in there. That was a bigger fish. That's the problem with fishing with smaller baits though, is these bigger fish don't get hooked like the little ones do. You have to like really let them eat it, but it's kind of hard when you can't see that they're eating it. Okay, yeah, that's a nicer fish. Ooh, that's a nice fish. What is it? Oh, it's a big bluegill or something. Look at that. That is pretty. Yeah, she wasn't coming off. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't. This is a big pregnant red breast. Look at that. That is a pretty fish. Never mind. There we go. Come here. Okay, well, I wasn't really, I was trying to keep you out of the grass, but... Yeah, I just got a little bass, so I'm gonna release it and I'll get out of your way. Okay, be free. That was cool. I saw him come up and hit it. Okay, yeah, we really gotta work on our landing. See, this is why trout fishermen use nets, which, I mean, I do indeed have a net. It's just, it's kind of annoying to have to, you know what, we're just gonna flip it on up here. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. I love catching these little bass. Seeing them makes me very happy. Uh-oh. That was that release. I was hoping to get like a slope.
Oh my god! Oh gosh!
And your mom's gonna hate it.